Good morning, it's June 24th. I'd like to do a review on some trades we did today. First, we're going to send out some live videos. This is just a breakdown of why we took the trade, what the setup was. Okay, wake up this morning, take a look at where Amazon is. You see a few things that are super important. You see the low and you see the high. As you see, the stock did a pop up and the Qs did a pop up real quick, but the spreads were so crazy that you wouldn't have been able to get that fill upward. The tick started off at minus 1200, so you're going to get this capitulation upward, so you're going to get this surge upward. Kind of predicted that. The room and about 25 traders all got in to this trade. I got them in early, as you see on the video. Right there at the top we took puts. You can see the setup on the Qs. Most people probably got in on the double bar, kind of got all that in. We got in super early and rode this trade down into the top of the 2779. This is a lot of money, guys. This is $10 move. Took the profit, and as you see, the system set up for itself. It gave you the pullback, it gave you the vol spread, it gave you the wicks, it gave you all these entries. But the key part is not seeing it as it's falling this way, is to get in early as it does the blow off of the upward move and the retracement. The second trade we took was the double bar on the 10-minute on Amazon. There was a double bar here. It was holding the top of yesterday right here. This is the high of yesterday. Got in, rode this thing down for another beautiful Slay the Dragon trade. Geez, it was $6-7 in the option. Beautiful trade. All right, the third trade, so you could see there was a double bar here. We got in as it broke the high of yesterday. So that kind of gives you an idea. The third trade we took was a reversal pattern upward. You see the morning star forming on the 5. We took it as it capitulated upward. We figured at 50% of the fib upward, it was going to at least go to the moving average of the 60. We took this trade, made another $7-8. We're selling it into the 57, 58, 59. Did a little fluctuation here. We got out. The fourth trade we took was the double bar, the Fibonacci 618 up here. Took it off the double bar downward. So this trade, we got in this area. There's a video on this also. We took it downward for another $6-7. I'm just telling you right now, it's $20 profit on the option. If you would put one contract at 100 shares, it's $2,000. If you would have had 10, that's $20,000 profit. If you had 5, just 500 shares, you would have made $10,000 today. This is live, very transparent. There's a video of all the trades, and I can teach you this step by step, how to take these trades. I got the curriculum written, and this is 1,000% transparent. You see me do this right in front of your eyes. So have a great day. All right, bye. So this pre-market volume isn't really big. You know, that could have been, if you put a line on there, it wasn't much. That's not many shares right there, just to move that from there to there, you know?
Yeah.
So you see on the 10-minute, I got this boxed in, and I kind of want to see what it's going to do. So it's going to be kind of, you can tell already it's going to be kind of choppy. And this is probably a day I'm not going to, I'm just not going to say. If I see something, I'm just going to tell you what I'm doing. And if you get a fill, if you don't just get the next one. Don't try to chase it. Don't be running chasing this thing $3 or $4 up, okay?
Yep.
Does that make sense?
Yep. Less than a minute. Good luck, buddy.
Yeah, good luck, guys and girls.
Good luck, guys. Daryl.
Good luck, everyone.
Turn this down a little bit here. See what Tesla does too if it holds that low, or does it blow through it? We can take some puts out of the gate. It's already retraced a little bit back, so I want to see if it holds a 994. I'm looking to get puts in it personally. Okay, so I'm loading puts in Tesla. See what happens here. It's got a little bit of a hammer here. Amazon looks like Qs are a little bit popping. Tech, we got a negative 1,200 on the tick, so this could actually come up a little bit. All right, so we could get a little pop. Yeah, Tesla is running a little bit here. Amazon's not really moving yet. It's not breaking the high of the 2782. So I got a little bit of pop here with the tick coming up. I think this is short-lived, guys. So I'm loading puts up on Amazon. If it doesn't hold the 2790, I'm going to take it. So puts here in Amazon. All right.
Got it.
A minute.
Just kind of 50% back of that candle. No, still a pullback. It's popping here though. Let's give it to 2795. That's it. All right. So we're going to give this $4 from the entry. Oof, it's strong. Still in. See if this is just a little pop-up blow off and then come back down. Okay.
The market's coming down.
It's a big candle on the Qs though, I think this will probably fluctuate all the way back down into the 2785. All right.
Mm-hmm.
It's dancing right there though.
Yep.
ticks at 1,000. So 2795 is my stop. It's at 2791. The Qs are strong though. Just waiting for this tick to get about minus 600, you know, and then it'll probably come right back. That's a pretty big parabolic candle on the Qs, because really SPY's not really moving, and your Dow's coming down, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So I just don't think it's going to be very strong upward.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, this is crazy. Look at that, the size of that candle, you know. So
Mm-hmm.
ticks at minus 700. This is really good because this will consider a blow off upward, and then this will come back down on us. Okay, so this is, we want this to do this. All right,
Yep.
we want this to surge like this.
Order filled.
So ticks at minus 500, 400. We're almost to the zero, getting there. And this Qs will probably come back to the 50 of this move. All right. So where are we at? We're bouncing off. We already went through the close of yesterday on the Qs. Right there at the top. See if this holds. It's probably going to come right back down from there. All right. Ticks at 400. You have plenty of opportunities to take these puts. It's giving you those wicks. You know, you should be green. The spread was nice. It should get into the 85 there for you, okay?
Here we go.
So, you know, if you get $3 or $4 out of it, just say, good morning, you know? Qs are going to get a little weak right here. Get tick at minus 400. So we had that parabolic move up. This candle of the 10-minute, if we looked at it, if we took half of it, we'd be into the 2785, okay? 2786, 2786, 2785, just eyeballing it, all right? So it's going to test that right there. Can it hold the 50% back? Does it bounce off the 50% and go back up? Or does it test that 2786 here? It's getting close, real close. There we go. There's the 85. I'm taking half my profit. So I figured it'd get to the 85. All right. You guys should be green. So there's the 85. You see how we got in early. And we didn't try to take it off the top there and get hosed. That's amateur hour. Okay. That's another room that we know. So there you go, guys.
Great trade, Daryl. Still in this.
Yeah, my work's done.
See where it's going to go here.
9 minutes. So protect yourself. Don't let 50% of the money go back. If you're up, whatever you're up, split it in half. Take half your profit now, okay?
Yep.
Because this could bounce right here, all right? Because this is really the half of that candle. We'll just see what it does, all right? Ticks at minus 400. It's coming back down a little bit. It hit the 300, 3 something, 390. You got a new candle here on the 10. So it's 50-50 trade right now. It's either going to bounce, go back to the top, or it's going to not. It's not going to hold this top part of this half the candle, come back down to 2779. All right. So you're kind of capitulating right here. There we go. It's coming down a little bit.
Q's and the tick look like they want to roll.
Yeah, this was the perfect storm here for us.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
There you go. You guys. We can
Evening
all.
star on 5.
Yeah, it's the perfect storm. We had the perfect trade right there. Do you see how the development of the evening star on the 60,000 share bar was formed? Okay, we got in right there. So the Qs are holding the top of that candle. I'm out of my trade here, guys, so I'm pretty much done.
Yeah, me too. It's great.
Me too, buddy.
All right, so I'm taking 3. Be right back.
Sounds good, buddy. Good job.
Thanks.
Hey, Phil,
Yes, sir.
were you able to get the calls out of the gate on Amazon?
Nope, it wouldn't fill.
I tried 5 times.
I tried 3. I couldn't get it.
Yeah, I could not get the fill on the calls. It was like an $5 spread, $6 spread, and I wasn't going to mark it in, but I could not get the fill. That was the worst it's been.
And how did you find doing the puts?
The puts were easy. Puts filled pretty quickly.
And you see why? Because everybody was trying to get calls.
Yep.
We were first in,
Yep.
and the spread was small. And when you looked at your strike, when you grabbed it, you were the first ones in there, except for me. But do you understand that now?
Yep.
When you're doing calls upward, the spread's too crazy, and it gets completely whacked out. So you're better off waiting to the top and get the other side of the trade, because you get a good fill. You don't have to worry about the spread, and you just do the reversal down, you know?
Totally.
So it lets you know, because you just don't want to chase it. You know what I mean? And
Yep.
you had about 3.5, 4 minutes to get the puts. It gave you 4 minutes to get them. You see how it kind of danced right there?
Yep.
You had plenty of time to get them, so that's why I didn't chase them, because the spread was so crazy. I was going to take them out of the gate, but I seen $2.50, $3 spread. I'm like, not going to happen. I don't even want mid on that. I don't want it to fill me, you know? I don't want it to be down $1.60, $1.80 on the mid. I'm like, no, that's not going to work. I don't mind 60 cents to $1. I can live with that. When the mid is 260 and you're losing $1.40, no. You know?
Yep.
Just stuff to think about.